How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert an image to black and white in Krita. So, of course, I'm going to create a new document and I'm just going to drag one of my photos onto Krita. Right after, you then want to select your picture, navigate through layer, and from here, navigate through filter, select the adjust option, and then there's going to be the desaturate. So just simply click on it. And here you have the ability to desaturate it on lightness, on luminosity, average, min, and max. So you could just choose any one of these options. And as you can see, our image has turned black and white. Click on OK, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.